Teff is a staple in every Habesha household. It's the grain that gives us the flour to make injera. It is healthy, gluten-free, and it's also the smallest grain in the world. That's why it's called Teff. Correct me if I'm wrong, but in Amharinya, Tefa means lost, and in Tigrinya, Mitfa means to lose, hence Teff or Teff, because it's so small. This reminds me of a beautiful proverb that my father always used to tell us about saving money. Teff, Nitaf, Ta'akiben, Injera Yofana. It means that even the smallest grain of teff becomes a whole meal, or injera, when united with others. It says it right here. You can find more of these beautiful proverbs in Semi 2024 calendar on semikids.com. It's a must. 'Cause we could be in a smarter, eating injera, but can you play?